In today's
Hello
video,
guys, welcome to
we'll
my channel.
use we'll install Gemini into our CLI or command prompt. We can directly command from CLI. We can use at the rate to add to upload any file and modify. Let's see how it works. Let's say if we have to get any news, I mean, if we have to use Gemini to get tech news, let's say I'll add me. Yeah, here we have some tips given from Gemini, which is you can ask for any questions, we can ask for editing files, or we can use to run commands, and we can create the MD files or batch files to run in the system directly. For now, I'm writing a command. Let's say show me some tech news happened today. So it will run. It will check on the internet and will give you the results as normal Gemini provides in phone or in laptops. So here are the results like CES 2026 is in full swing, AI making headlines, new gadgets in the horizon, Samsung had did something. So we have the results now, and even if we have to upload any file, then we just have to do like this at the rate. Let's say we'll just wait for the suggestions. It will automatically come. Yeah, here. If we'll scroll down, okay, we can go like this, or we can go like, let's say I want to go into the desktop and search for any file here. So we have option like on the contacts I have some. Okay, so it's searching on the directory and providing me the results. Let's see if I have any file available in my PC, then I can just directly click on that, I mean directly select that. Let's say I don't know what file is this. Tell me what kind of file is this. Then it will check for the file type and will describe what kind of file is this. So this can be very much useful if we want the CLI to be. So here's the answer. A common Windows configuration file is used for operating system customize the appearance and behavior folder. Okay, so let's see how it actually works, how to install this. And for installation of Gemini, we first have to download node.js. So just type node.js download, go to this site, and here if you'll scroll down, you'll find you have to choose for which operating system you have to download. I'm choosing here the Windows with 64 architect and download the installer. And once it's downloaded, you just have to open it. Okay, and after opening, it will ask you like it will then ask you uh, to install, but I have already installed, so it's not you just have to go next. But right now I've already installed, so it's asking me to repair or remove something. So you can just install it, click next, and you can install. And after the installation of this, just come back to command prompt. Okay, write CMD and open it with run as administrator for the first time, and then it will ask you to click on yes. Okay, and now we have the CMD here. Let me zoom in. So you can check the installed node.js with npm hyphen version. So the question might will come to your mind that why it's necessary to install the node.js. Instead, we are installing the Gemini in CLI. So the answer is like we are using JavaScript, right? We are using the JavaScript out of the browsers. In browsers, we already have default JavaScript installed. So if we have to do anything out of the box from the browsers, then we need the Java to run the JavaScript. We need Node.js. Okay, so here we are using the JavaScript in the CLI. So we needed the Node.js, and now here we have to install the Gemini CLI, and for that we have to run a command which is npm then install -g space at the rate google slash gemini hyphen cli. Okay, just write it properly. Npm install -g at the rate google gemini cli. Just check for the space, and once we run the command, it will take some time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, to install the packages. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, it's using internet basically to download the packages from the web, and it will install in our backend. So you can see around 583 packages installed in 2 minutes. Okay, so for now, for the first time, what we have to do is, for the setup of Gemini, for authentication and for theme setup in the CLI, how it will look like, we just have to run the command Gemini, and after that it will it will take some time for the first time, but after that it will be easy to run. It will ask for authenticity because Google wants to check what the users are searching. So yeah, asking us how to authenticate. So we have three options here. We can choose any of three. So I'll you can use the arrow keys to go 1 2 3 and so on. I'm using the first one, login with Google. So it will ask me allow options, and then the browser will pop up, where in the browser we have to choose our email address through which we will going to authenticate it. And once we sign in, we are good to run the Gemini CLI. So once you got the authentication success, so we are good with running the Gemini in CLI. We can type the messages now, like tell me some news, technical news today. See, it's gathering technical news, and it will take some time. Basically, it is searching on internet, and it will provide us the answers now. See, it's providing us answers here. Thanks for watching this video.